Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, how do I maintain or gain weight on the Candida diet? Losing weight sometimes happens when you change your diet to something much healthier. There are lots of healthy foods in the Candida diet that can provide the calories needed to maintain your weight. You need to avoid being nutritionally depleted while trying to repair your gut. If you're overcoming a condition such as Candida overgrowth, SIBO, or IBS, your gut is very likely leaky and inflamed, making it difficult for your body to digest and absorb food. A Candida protocol that includes diet, probiotics, and antifungals is designed to heal your gut and reduce your inflammation so that you can begin properly digesting and absorbing your food. Reducing inflammatory foods such as gluten, alcohol, processed foods, and sugar is key to reducing inflammation so that your gut can begin to heal. Remember, this type of diet is meant to be followed short-term, 4 to 8 weeks, until you start noticing improvement in symptoms. During this time, focus on good quality proteins like eggs and fish, root vegetables like parsnip, squash, and sweet potato, which are more energy-dense and won't spike your blood sugar. Healthy fats from olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds are great on the Candida diet and are a good source of calories. If 3 meals a day isn't enough to keep your weight up, add some snacks like jerky, non-dairy yogurt, Lara bars, and nut butters. Once your gut has healed and your weight begins climbing, you can then add foods back one at a time to figure out which ones you do well with and can continue eating and which ones you have a sensitivity to. This process will help you discover the perfect diet for your unique needs and set you up for lifelong health. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@CanXida.com and we will get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.